Right, day 2. She woke me up at bloody 6 a.m. even though we were meant to be sleeping in. Not really. Just watching a bit of van life, because you know, why not? Hello.
Hey.
So what are we doing today?
We've got. I'm gonna go to Audrey Wilkinson for wine tasting,
Yep.
and then after that, we are gonna fly a drone around Audrey Wilkinson because it's a really nice view apparently.
Yep.
And then after that, we might do a beer tasting at Hope Estate.
No.
Buy some bottle of red wine that we don't need to try because we already know it's good. And then we are going to have lunch at Enzo restaurant. Cafe, sorry.
Is it
Enzo
here?
Cafe.
Okay.
And then after that, I'm going to get my dessert from
always dessert.
Sabo dessert bar, and then chocolate company
Nice.
factory, and then free slots or whatever you want to do,
Nice.
and then dinner at Blaxland Inn. Blaxland Inn?
Blaxland Inn,
Yeah.
which is like next door.
Yeah, legit. Like we could just walk it. We ain't getting any wine pairing with jack shit this
Why
time.
not?
Oh god, it screwed me up so bad last night. Couldn't even enjoy.
To get here.
Alright.
What's up?
So we are gonna do a stop at our hotel accommodation, and then we're going to fly the drone out. So this is the drive back to our hotel from Audrey Wilkinson. Look at those vineyards.
So, where are we heading to now?
Hope Estate.
Hope Estate.
But I'm like a little bit tired now. Must be from all that wine tasting in the morning.
If you can see on the other side.
Is it there? No?
No, it's there. That's Hope Estate there.
So we're gonna walk it?
And
Okay.
our accommodation is right here. She's not walking it. Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, which one do you have?
I have the raspberry sour.
Word up, word up, word up.
Okay,
Yep.
so I have the raspberry sour lager,
Yep.
the mango sour, and the West Coast India Pale Ale. Sweet. I cannot wait to try.
I can't read upside down.
Okay, I'll read for you. So you've got the smoked porter.
This one?
Yep.
Yep.
And then this one is the Nilpa, maybe? I don't know. Apple cider and the India brown ale.
Nice. Look at the view out here.
I know.
Alright. Where were we?
Hey.
Hi.
So we arrived at Hope Estate beer tasting. I'm not a fan of beer.
Yeah.
Anyways.
So, as we were saying before, we were staying about there.
Where?
No, about yeah, the beers are alright. It's a different taste.
Yeah, well, I'm not a beer type of girl. So I don't know how we're gonna finish all of this.
It's alright. We'll get some Hope crackers later.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, so what are we doing?
We are heading to Blaxland Inn for dinner. You're gonna get a steak, and I'm probably gonna get a steak too. And we're walking there because it's seriously a 3-minute walk. I thought it would be 15 minutes, but Bridget was right for once.
Yes, for once. Alright, we'll be back later. How do you like the food?
I don't know, I'm gonna cut into the steak now.
Yeah.
It's a medium. I asked for a medium rare, but you know.
Okay.